Hi friends, thank you for joining for today. Today we are going to color a beautiful butterfly with color pencils. Let's start. So first I use yellow color like this. We add it as a deep layer. And after that we add red color like this. You can use your hand freely to do this. This color combination is so much good. And after that we add dark blue like this one also we can add deep layer, and we add light blue like this here also, and here. This is so much easy but beautiful. And after that we add orange color here. So this is our butterfly. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for being with me.